Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Polkadot tokens on Coinbase and want to move them over to Bitmart for better trading options in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitmart, and that you have some DOT tokens ready to transfer. Also, double-check that you have the necessary fees covered, as crypto transfers aren't free. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard, find your Polkadot wallet, and select the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main page for easy access. Before you proceed, verify your account's security settings. Two-factor authentication is a must in 2025 to protect your assets. Next, Step 2. You'll need the Bitmart wallet address. Open your Bitmart account, go to your wallet section, and copy the Polkadot deposit address. This is crucial. Make sure it's the correct address for DOT to avoid any mix-ups. Pro tip. Always paste the address directly and double-check for any typos, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to send, review the network fees, and hit Confirm. You'll likely be prompted for additional verification, like a code from your Auth app. Once the transaction is initiated, Step 4. Wait for it to confirm on the blockchain. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Head over to Bitmart and check your wallet to see when the funds arrive. Finally, after it's all done, celebrate your successful transfer. Remember, always keep an eye on market trends and secure your wallets. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.